Tired of shipping orders to the wrong place because eBay hides the ship from address settings? Here's exactly where to find and edit it. This is one of those things that seems like it should be simple, but eBay loves to bury these options in menus. I've run into this myself, and it is frustrating when a package goes to your old place instead of your current one. So let's fix that right now. I'll show you the 7 simple steps to update your address, from your profile to saving the changes. And trust me, once you know where it is, you'll be able to do it in under a minute. All right, let's start right at the top of the page. First, you want to look for your profile icon. It's usually that little silhouette of a person or your initials up in the top right corner of any eBay page. Just hover your mouse over it. Don't click yet. This is the same button you'd use to sign out, but we're going to take a different path. So once you hover over that, a drop-down menu will pop up. From that list, click on Account Settings. This is the main hub for everything related to how your account works, from payments to shipping preferences. It's a good menu to get familiar with. Now, you're in the Account Settings page. It can look a little overwhelming with all the different tabs and sections, but we're looking for a specific one. Down the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Click on the one that says Addresses. This is where eBay stores all of the locations linked to your account, like your primary shipping address and your return address. Once you click on that, you'll see a few different sections. You might see your personal address, maybe a business address, but we need to scroll down a bit. Keep scrolling past those standard options until you find the section labeled Ship From Addresses. This is the specific spot eBay uses to calculate shipping costs and print labels, so this is the critical one. It's the address your buyers will see as the origin of their package. All right, next to that Ship From address, you're going to see a few action buttons. One of them will say Edit. Click that. This is going to open up the form where you can actually change the details. Now, pay attention to this one. This is where you can update your street address, your city, state, zip code, everything. Make sure every field is correct and matches the location from which you're actually shipping. A common mistake here is just fixing the primary address and forgetting that the Ship From address is a separate entry, so double check it. If you're shipping from your home, put your home. If you have a warehouse, put that. Once you've typed everything in and verified it's all perfect, look for the blue Save button at the bottom of the form. Click it, and that's it. Your Ship From location is now updated. And that is the whole process. It really is just about knowing which door to walk through in the eBay settings maze. You're all set. Your future orders will now head out from the right place. Thanks for sticking with me.